for letting me see the eggs, Pierre. They're very nice. Good job, guys. I wonder how many there will be this time. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beeps. Even your little siblings over there are starting to beep, beep. It's adorable. Yeah. And I got to bring them over here, and you guys saw them a few times. Today, Mom and JC both came over to look into the box and see them and talk to them for a second, which was very cool. Yeah, you girls came and talked to the little ones. Always got to hang out with your big sister and the birth mom. Very nice. Oh, Spitfire. Are you a handsome thing? It's so hard to get through the bars, though. But you're such a handsome boy, just like your daddy. Yeah, you're like a less bulky version of your daddy. Some more cheeks. You're so handsome, though. So handsome.